I am going to do a quick video on how to remove your existing Sirius radio decoder on my Lancer GTS so that I can install the new one, this one here, that will go into my new head unit, the Kenwood DNX 9140. But first I have to remove this one. I don't need to, but I want to, just because it's kinda, pointless of having it. So I need to remove this unit here, and so I need to, of course, put my glove box apart. So that's the first thing you need to do, is just take everything apart. Put the bottom piece panel here so I have easy access to everything. So what I want to do is remove that screw there first, the one you see in the background, and there's also another one over there. I don't know if you can kind of see it there behind those wires. So I need to remove those two so I can get this piece out. Once that's out, I will do a quick video again on how to install this new puppy with the existing antenna and the connection that goes to the back of the head unit. So let's start with that. Let me see here. So again, let's get rid of that screw. It should be 13 mil. Yeah, 13 millimeter. To get it's the first one. To get to the second one, which helps to have small hands. Spot to get to those screws, of course. Okay, I'll get the screw out. I'll be right back. Okay, so I got that screw out. So now let's get this out of here. So we'll need to remove this harness here, and so we can completely get rid of that box. And there we go. So now we got the factory series video decoder out with the mounting bracket. Put that aside. So now there's the little harness that came with this. We'll need to close that off and just leave it behind the dash since we don't need it anymore. And there's the antenna end for it. So, but of course that antenna end it's not going to fit my new one. So what we'll need to do is remove that clip so that it's just the antenna end. So for doing that, all we need to do is get rid of this white clip, and then the antenna should slide out, which I already did, but just so you guys can see, it's a bit of a pain, but just need to press down on that clip and this just comes off. so we don't need that. Now we can use this antenna, the existing factory antenna, for our new Sirius decoder, just so you don't have to have two antennas on your roof, just a single one. So let me put this back together, the stuff that I don't need, and then we'll go from there. Don't need this. Electrical tape. That's done. We'll just put behind the gate panel there and out of the way. So now we need to mount this little box. I already ran the connector that goes to the back of the head unit. So this will plug into here, antenna goes there, and I already have that wire hooked up to my head unit. But and then that'll be it. So let's plug this in and we should be done. That's that. Now we need to secure it on a spot. So I'm gonna probably use some zip ties, some zip wires, what do you want to call them, and secure it here somewhere. So do that, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so now I've mounted a new Sirius radio decoder onto here with a small zip tie. So now it's nice and tight in there. It's not going anywhere. There's that going to my head unit. There's the factory antenna. So what let's do now is put the panel back on, put the glove box on, and I will be done. So that's just a quick show of how to do that. And next time I will do a video, because I will be installing the factory control for the steering wheel mounted controls. I don't have that yet, so I'll be doing a video of that, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching.